If there is one thing Emerson Mnangagwa is not afraid of, it is making bold decisions and executing them with precision. He has been confidently and systematically moving his chess pieces against his Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, showing no fear of miscalculation as the two men stand eye to eye in their mortal succession battle. Sabina mashoko ma attacks una general panguva ina zvinzi mutungamiri wenyika hatombotyi aiwa kuisa mapex against VP not subscribe all icon on the bell icon. Panapa tipinda pahendo ya hopo chiona kudanyira chiti Mnangagwa is methodologically pegging anyone remotely associated with Chiwenga and those still within the general's orbit who inevitably face the same fate unless Chiwenga acts decisively, assuming he still commands meaningful support within Zimbabwe's military. Politically, Mnangagwa has outmaneuvered him so thoroughly that the only option left for Chiwenga would be to roll the tanks as he did in 2017, but then he was commander. Today he is just a politician whose military influence is unknown. On the political chessboard, Mnangagwa has played like a grandmaster, exploiting every weakness exhibited by the general. The downfall of Chiwenga would not only consolidate Mnangagwa's grip on power, but would also pave the way for the ascendance of KUTYA. Mnangagwa's hand-picked successor and the man positioned to protect his legacy of looting in his obscene wealth. No matter how the public feels about the two men, we will have zero role to play in who wins unless the tanks are rolled out and the people take out to the streets. With each day that passes, it becomes steadily harder. Mnangagwa has coup-proofed himself regionally and across sub-Saharan Africa. Those trips by Wickno Jevayo are not just ordinary journeys into Africa's state houses. There is a method to what looks comical. It is now a kill or be killed moment for the two men. There is no turning back because they have both crossed the red lines. If Chiwenga intends to act, he must move quickly and decisively, and even then success is far from being certain. Meanwhile, ordinary Zimbabwean citizens are caught between elite power struggles and a looming threat of violence, which only exposes how fragile Zimbabwe's political environment has become. Ndomasha kwanyasoradza kuti panguva ino VP Constantino Chiwenga is under attack. Imbotiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wabvina comment section yeru mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.